You are going to love the 2018 Range Rover Velar. The Range Rover Velar is a perfect blend of design, technology, and performance. This glamorous SUV will turn heads, but will also give you all the functionality you'd hope for in an SUV. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.